Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about Lobachevsky integral. So for all the value of s belong to real numbers in here, if we have the function f of s equal to f of s plus b and equal to f of s minus b in this integration in here, from 0 to positive infinity, f of s multiplied by sine s over s ds equals to the integration from 0 to b over 2, and that's about f of s ds. So if we look carefully about this one, f of s in here, that's about cosine s squared. Now if I put about s plus b and s minus b cone here, and we have cosine s plus b everything to the power of 2. So we have negative cosine s to the power of 2. Because negative with the power 2, we have positive, and we have cosine s squared, and this one equals to f of s, and the second one, that is about negative, and we have the same. That means we satisfied about the conditions in here, so we can apply this formula, and this one equals to the integration from 0 to b over 2. Now we have the formula in here. Cosine s squared equals to cosine 2s plus 1 over number 2. So I will put this one gone here, and number 2 I will put outside, and we have cosine 2s plus 1. The integration of cosine 2s, that is about 1 over 2 sine 2s. Number 1, that is about s, and we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. Now we put the bounds in here, and we have the final answer. And we have b over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.